Having linked a Confluence space to your Jira Service Desk project as a knowledge base, agents are now able to create knowledge base articles from your Jira tasks. From a Jira task, you can create a knowledge base article, a how-to article, or troubleshooting steps using a blueprint. You can also link to an existing knowledge base article in the linked knowledge base space. Let's look at this in a demonstration. In this demo, we'll see how to create content in Confluence from Jira Service Desk.
In this demonstration, I'll show you how you can create content in your Confluence knowledge base space from Jira. I've logged into Jira as an agent, and here's an open Jira task in my Service Desk project. You can see here that it's possible to create an article in the Link to Knowledge Base space. Give the page a title in this pop-up window and also decide on which blueprint to use. You'll see that it opens up Confluence and creates a page for you. Notice that the link to Jira issue is here at the bottom of the page. In the interest of speed, I'm just going to save this as is. Now, when I return to the Jira issue, you can see that there's a link back to the page that I just created. You can, of course, use the More menu, where you'll select Link and link to an existing page in the space, which I'll do quickly here. So I'll link to a page, but you can see where I link to that page. It appears in the link area of the Jira issue, rather than in the area where there are links to the knowledge base. You can also search for articles and share them with customers. Click Search Knowledge Base, type in a search term and then select the appropriate page. You'll see in the bottom left-hand area in the pop-up you can choose to share this article with customers. If you click Share with Customer, you can see that it gets added into a comment in the issue. This concludes the demonstration in which we've shown you how to link to pages that you've created in Confluence, or how you can create a page in Confluence from Jira.
The configuration of your Jira Service Desk allows you to map labels to your request type. This feature can be used to ensure that only appropriate pages are recommended to a user after they choose a request type. Let's see how this is done in a demo. In this demo, we'll look at using labels to map Service Desk requests to knowledge base pages.
In this demonstration, I'm going to show you how to use labels to map requests in Jira Service Desk Confluence pages. This means that when end users create a request, that request type will only pick up pages with a specified label. Here I have two pages in a linked knowledge base space. The first page has a label of network_access added to it, and the other one has a label of hardware_request_laptop added to it. I'll go back to my Service Desk, then to the Project Settings overview by clicking on the cog icon in the bottom left-hand area of the Jira interface. Then I'll select the knowledge base link in the left-hand navigation. And from then you can see that we have a request type of network access to the network_access label. We've also got the request named request laptop associated with the label hardware_request_laptop. Let's see how this works. I'll click on the Raise Request link in the side panel, and in the customer view of the portal, I'll create a request for a new laptop. If I type content into the request, you can see that all the pages that have the hardware_request_laptop label are displayed on the right hand side of the request. There is only one to display. Those pages that have the network_access label are not displayed. And that completes this demonstration, where we looked at how to use labels to map requests to pages.
That demo concludes this segment. What are our main takeaways? We looked at how you can create a linked knowledge base in Confluence from Service Desk to help customers by providing a self-service support solution. Customers don't need a Confluence license in order to access the content in the knowledge base space. We also looked at how you can manage content using labels, and how as an agent you can create content in the knowledge base from Jira.